How's it going, everybody? My name is Austin and welcome back to the Power Stoked YouTube channel. I look exhausted because I'm recording this at 8 p.m. after work. I wanted to get a video out to you guys. It's been a while. So the last 2 weeks have been anything but boring. So 2 weeks ago, we had a major ice storm here in Oregon and we are not set up for that. So basically everybody lost power, tree limbs were falling on power lines, internet went out, like a bunch of crazy stuff like that happened. So that first weekend, I didn't have power from Friday to Tuesday. And we got our power back on Tuesday, but we didn't even have internet until Sunday of this last week. So it's been a really crazy time, and I didn't really make time to upload because I figured if I don't have internet, what's the point of uploading? Basically, the issue was my modem was toast. I should have checked that sooner. I was just kind of banking on my internet provider having the issue, but it was me. So this week's video isn't gonna be crazy. I've just got a new part that came in the mail that we're gonna be putting on the truck. But just to give you guys a quick update on the truck, as you can see, the hood is still okay, well, let's be honest here, 3/4 wrapped. But I managed to wrap the roof of the truck. Hopefully you guys can see that. We now have a gloss black roof on the truck. Now, I didn't record that because I didn't think it'd be that interesting. I will be recording, however, the rest of the body panels, so I can give you guys like an in-depth how to wrap your own vehicle, some tips from an amateur on how to wrap your vehicle, to make it somewhat doable. So in this video, we're gonna hop in the bed of the truck here and go ahead and get started. Go ahead and hop in here. All right, guys, so we have a third brake light from ISSYAUTO. I'll put it down in the description below. I'm very excited to go ahead and open this up. Woo! All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this on the roof of the truck here. I may have gotten excited and already untaped it, but pretend you guys didn't see that. All right, you guys, so the first thing that I am noticing now that it's out of the styrofoam is that it's a nice clear lens with a black housing and it's black inside. Normally, you'll see the strip of LEDs, like that yellow color, but this looks pretty slick. So right out of the box, it's already feeling super nice quality. We got a nice little foam pad here to keep it nice and weatherproofed. So as you guys can see, it's actually a gloss black already. So that's gonna match super nice with the gloss black roof on this truck. And man, look at that. So now here I'm showing you guys what was on the truck. As you can see, you can't see any of the LEDs. It actually was a chrome housing third brake light. And I honestly was not a huge fan of it. So it basically was a chrome housing with a clear lens and it just did not match the truck. So I went ahead and took some BHT nightshade. This is back in my no money days. And I blacked it out. So this is quite the upgrade. All right, you guys, so I'm really excited about this third brake light. It matches the taillights really well. I'll go ahead and throw a photo up of the taillights because they're not on the truck right now. But we're gonna go ahead and install this third brake light. Now, if you've never done this before, let me tell you what, this is probably one of the easiest lights to ever change on these trucks. So I'm looking at this on the camera. This all looks really messed up. This is just smudge marks from my fingers because I got grubby hands from working all day. So we're gonna go ahead, and as you can see, there's just a little clip here. It's literally a plug and play option here. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. And so now that we got it plugged in, we're gonna go ahead and just tuck all this wire up on the roof here. All right, so now that we got it set in place, I'm gonna have to buy some new screws or at least paint these. We're gonna go ahead and screw this in. And just like that, you guys, we have the new third brake light on the truck. As you can see, I had to use the original screws, but that is not a big deal. I can touch that up with some black paint or go pick up some new ones. They provide some gaskets so that way you can attach those to the screws, suck it up nice and tight, and not have any water leaks. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn off the garage light, kick on the cargo light, and see how bright this bad boy is. All right, you guys, this is a sweet third brake light. Look how bright that cargo light is. You can see clearly in the bed. So if you're out ever in the pitch black or whatever, guys, look at that. Give it a couple of brake pumps and see how bright it is against that wall. Woo! Look at that. Hang on, let me set you guys up. Holy crap, that's bright. All right, you guys, I have to say that is a really impressive third brake light. I honestly can't believe how bright it is. It was illuminating the wall super bright. As you can see, the brake light itself is actually really bright. I don't have taillights on the truck, so all the glowing and the illumination that I was seeing was all from that third brake light, and let me tell you what, it's pretty impressive. And if you guys are in the market for a third brake light for these trucks, head down to my description below. There'll be a link to Amazon to ISSYAUTO. This is a sweet light. Thank you guys over there so much for hooking me up. You guys, this light is awesome. I know you guys, it was a short and sweet video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was good being back on YouTube. We'll continue regular uploads. I am very excited to continue this build. I'm excited to get it wrapped and all the other things that I've got working up here for this truck, and I know you guys will love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to head down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.